So hi there everyone. Today's question is about dividing an array into equal pairs. And the question states that you're given an integer array nums consisting of 2 into n integers. You need to divide nums into n pairs such that each element belongs to exactly one pair. The elements present in the pair are equal. Return true if the number nums can be divided into n pairs, otherwise return false. So this question is about dividing an array so that the array contains 2 into n integers and we need to divide it into n pairs. Each element exactly belongs to exactly one pair. Okay, let's see this example first. 3, 2, 2. Okay, this is an array. Output is true. What does it mean? See, there are 6 elements in nums. Okay, so they should be divided into 6 by 2, which is 3 pairs. Okay, that sounds good. If nums is divided into the pairs 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, it will satisfy all the conditions because one element should exactly belong to one pair. Now, what if this three, 1, 2, 3, 4, are they satisfying? No, not exactly. See, if you see the array here, the thing is, the constraint is at least an element should present the length by 2 times in the array. Sorry, not length by 2 times. It should present at least 2 times in order to classify it as a pair, to a single pair. Here, if you see this array, you were given that all the elements that you found here are unique. None of them repeated again. So what's the issue is, since all of them are unique, they can't be put in a same pair because each pair should have same elements. The elements in a pair are equal. Okay, so how do we gonna approach this problem? The thing is, in this array, if we find an element, the element should be a multiple of 2, no matter how the element is. It should be a multiple of 2. Here, the element is not a multiple of 2. The count of the element should be multiple of 2. So what are we gonna do? If it is count, it means that we are using hash map. That's it. Problem done. Hash map, we gonna write integer comma integer. Map is equals to new hash map. So it counts the element and its frequency here. For int I in nums, if map dot contains key of I, then map dot put, what do we need to do? Map dot put I comma map dot get of I plus 1. Else, what are we gonna do? Else map dot put I comma 1. So now this map is going to know the frequencies here. Okay, what next? If any of the elements frequency is less than 2. Okay, now we're going to iterate over the hash map. Check if any elements frequency is less than 2. For how do we gonna iterate over values? Again, forgot the same thing. Let's look into it. How to iterate over a hash map. Let's GPT. Give me a standard structure so that I can iterate over both keys and values in a hash map. So this is what you need to know. This thing. For map entry, it is integer and it's also integer. Let's see command view. Map.entry set string key get key. I don't want it actually right now. Integer value is equals entry dot get value. If if entry dot get value equals is greater than is less than 2, return false. And if not, return true. That's it. That's how we're gonna run this. Submit this. Oh, it went wrong here. Why so? Because it's pretty much lengthy. Is it the case? Output is true. I mean, what's wrong with this test case? I don't. Please. Um, okay, let's look at the constraints. You'll get to know what's wrong. N is less than 500. Okay, that seems pretty good. Nums of I. Size is also pretty much less. So what's wrong here? I mean, we just want to count the frequency, no? I did it in big of N. Okay. Hmm. We're only checking the frequencies. The requirement it is to divide that into two pairs, which means that each number must occur. Okay, yeah, that's the case. This, yeah, I just said it, but I haven't done it. That's the issue. If the if this is if entry dot get value is less than 2 or entry dot get value mod 2, see it should be not equals to 0. I think that would work, right? Let's check. Oh, that's great. It's done, guys. So what if we remove this? Will it work again? Worked again. Okay, now let's look at more additional approaches that we can make. Sorting. Oh, sorting is pretty much boring. What's the next thing we can do? Map. Yeah, map is a pretty good thing that we can do about this. Next one is a Boolean array. Our core task is to Simple. We when we encounter a number for the first time, we need to find a partner for it. When we see it, we have completed a pair. Think of it like using a light switch for each number. Wow, this is actually good. So we just make the number's position as false first. Whenever we find another number like that, we make it true. If we find again, we make it false. If we may find it again, it's true. So after all the iteration, if the loop is after the ending of loop, if the array is fully true, then we return true, else we return false. It's pretty good solution. I like this. See, we we find the max value of array. Okay, toggle a pair status for each number. Needs pair, max number. Check if any number remains unpaired. False. Hmm. Okay, that net is very slow here. That's it, guys. That's it for today.